Hello students, welcome to ExamScart YouTube channel. Without wasting any time, let's start today's important current affairs one-liner. 1. 22nd anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas celebrated on the 26th of July. Kargil Vijay Divas is observed in honor of the war heroes. India celebrates Kargil Vijay Divas on July 26 every year to mark the anniversary of the Indian Army's victory against Pakistan on this day in 1999, after more than 60 days of armed conflict on the highlands of Kargil in Ladakh. 2. Lok Sabha passes Factoring Regulation Bill and National Institutes of Food Technology Bill. The Lok Sabha passed the Factoring Regulation Amendment Bill, 2021 and the National Institutes of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management Bill, 2021 amid pandemonium. 3. Government to set up National Center of Excellence for Animation, Visual Effects, Gaming and Comics. The Union Government has decided to set up a National Center of Excellence for Animation, Visual Effects, Gaming and Comics for creating a world-class talent pool in India to cater to the Indian as well as global industry. 4. Kakatiya Rudreshwara Temple in Telangana inscribed by UNESCO is World Heritage Site. One of the iconic sites of Telangana state, Kakatiya Rudreshwara Temple, located at Palampet village, popularly known as Ramappa Temple, has been inscribed by UNESCO as World Heritage Site. This is the first site which got heritage tag from UNESCO ever since Telangana state formed in 2014. 5. Cisco and NSDC make partnership to upskill India in digital skills. Cisco Networking Academy and the National Skill Development Corporation, NSDC, announced a partnership that is aimed at addressing the shortage of tech-proficient workforce in India and creating career opportunities for millions in the digital economy. 6. Dhanlakshmi Bank introduces strategic alliance with SMC Global Securities. SMC Global Securities Limited announced a strategic alliance with Dhanlakshmi Bank for offering online trading services to the bank customers. This tie-up will offer an integrated 3-in-1 account comprising of a savings, demat, and trading account, providing a hassle-free and convenient trading experience to the Dhanlakshmi Bank customers. 7. Sweden joins International Solar Alliance. Sweden has ratified the Framework Agreement for the International Solar Alliance, ISA, and is now a member of the Global Platform, which is an initiative of India aimed at promoting renewable energy and sustainable development. 8. A new book titled, An Ordinary Life, Portrait of an Indian Generation, by Ashok Lavasa. A new book titled, An Ordinary Life, Portrait of an Indian Generation, by former Election Commissioner Ashok Lavasa. In this book, Ashok Lavasa tells about the experiences of his father, Uday Singh, into the narrative of a fast-changing India to show how his Boji's principles served as a moral compass in his life and can in ours too. 9. IFC lends $250 million to HDFC Ltd to boost green housing finance. HDFC Ltd has got a loan of $250 million from International Finance Corporation, IFC, the investment arm of the World Bank Group, to be used by India's largest housing finance company for green housing. Green housing is regarded as a luxury market in the country but has climate benefits. Its partnership with HDFC would help change perceptions about the market. 10. Indian junior wrestler Priya Malik wins gold medal in 73 kg category Cadet World Championship. Indian junior wrestler Priya Malik won a gold medal in the 73 kg category Cadet World Championship held in Budapest, Hungary. The Cadet World Championship is a tournament where the best Greco-Roman, freestyle and women wrestlers worldwide below the age of 17 compete. Students, we have started this superfast important daily current affair in 5 minutes series just to save your time. Because we are focused towards your selection rather than wasting your time on giving lengthy videos. If you think we provide good videos, then do like, share and subscribe our channel, and do not forget to follow us on our Telegram channel and Facebook for free PDFs and study material provided by examscard.com. Thank you for your support, students. Take care and have a nice day.